Parents, understanding your legal rights and obligations as co-parented is essential, especially when it comes to your child's education. One of the first things to consider is how decision-making responsibility has been addressed, either by agreement, court order, or through the status quo. In Ontario, there is a distinction between joint and sole decision-making responsibility, and this determines who has the final say on schooling matters. Not only schooling matters, but for the purposes of today's discussion, we're just going to be focusing on the educational aspect. Um, Regardless of the decision-making responsibility arrangement, both parents typically have the right to access school records, attend parent-teacher meetings, and be involved in major decisions about their child's education. And it really is important to make sure that these rights are respected and to communicate with the school if any issues do arise, including schooling-related provisions in your parenting plan if you're um, in search of creating one, or even if you're going to incorporate them in a separation agreement that doesn't have a specific parenting plan sort of attached to it as its own schedule, but either a fixed parenting plan or a separation agreement is definitely something to consider. In that, you can outline who is responsible for school drop-offs, who will attend school events, how you'll handle communication with the school, and really having all these details ironed out in advance, either through a parenting plan or through a separation agreement, can prevent confusion and conflict later down the road.